Have you tried these digital art hacks? You definitely should. Let's go. Hack 1. Pixel art. Turn any digital art to pixel art in seconds. And I'm going to show you exactly how you can do it. Go to Filter, Pixelate, select Square Pixelate, and then simply adjust the radius. Keep it between 8 and 15. I'm gonna rate this hack a 9 out of 10. Hack number 2. Sun glare effect. That looks so cool. And this is how I turn my boring art to cool art with a simple sun glare effect. And I 10x improve my artwork by adding this effect.
That's pretty good.
And this is how you can do it too. Click on the icon at the top right corner and find the effect called the flare of the lens gold. Now apply the effect to the art and adjust its size and position. Now select the blending mode and change it to screen. Now you can move around this sun glare effect, increase and decrease the size, and set it up anywhere in your artwork. You can also change the blending mode to add. Now this will make the sun glow much brighter. I'm gonna rate it a 9 out of 10. Hack number 3. Perspective hack. This hack is perfect for drawing quick perspective. Select a rectangle shape and simply draw a rectangle. Then select perspective form and horizon. Now use these blue dots and adjust the perspective form. This looks amazing. It actually looks like it's drawn by a professional artist. Definitely try this hack, and I'm gonna rate it an 8 out of 10. Hack number 4. Adding a border. If you quickly want to add border to any of your art, and you can use this hack. Select filter, go to style, and select stroke. And that's it, done. You can also increase and decrease the width of the border, and you can also change the color. A 7 out of 10 rating for this one. Hack number 5. Color palette. In a second. Use this hack to extract the color palette of any artwork you want. Go to Filter, Pixelate, and select Dots Hexagonal, and that's it.
Oh my god!
8 out of 10 for this one. Hack number 6. Unsharp mask. So you have a bad quality art and you want to improve the quality instantly. Then simply hit Filter, select Blur, and choose Unsharp mask. Adjust the strength based on your requirement. And look at the quality of the art on your right. Definitely a 7 out of 10. Hack number 7. Blending colors. If you want to quickly blend colors in one tab, then do this. Draw some different colors. Go to Filter, select Blur, and Frosted Glass Normal. Adjust the radius and variance as shown here. And now select Gaussian Blur. That's it.
Perfect.
This hack saves a ton of time. It's an 8 out of 10.